Hello friends, today we'll start with numerical examples on influence line diagrams. So today we'll take up a single point load example. A single point load of 100 kilonewton crosses the girder of span 12 meters from left to right. Determine maximum reactions, maximum shear force and bending moment at section 4 meter from left. Say this is the girder of 12 meters. I have marked this point C, x is equal to 4. Always consider this distance as x and this as L minus x. So L is overall length L, 12 meters. Consider the load of 100 kilonewtons at distance x. Let this distance be x. Now, first step, ILD, influence line diagram for reactions. Under that one, ILD for reaction at A, RA. When you want to find reaction at A, take summation of moments about B is equal to 0. Clockwise moments are positive. So RA into 12 minus 100 into L minus x, or 12 minus x. You don't know the distance x. So I am going to take about this point. If this is x, this distance is L minus x. Or for this example, do not consider these distances, only consider this x and L minus x. So moment at B, RA into 12 minus 100 into 12 minus x, L minus x is equal to 0, or RA is equal to 100 into 12 minus x divided by 12. At x is equal to 0, substitute x is equal to 0 here. You have RA is equal to 100. 100 into 12 divided by 12, 100. At x is equal to 12, RA is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 12 here, this becomes 0. Now draw a line diagram. This is ILD for RA. At A it is 100, at B it is 0, 100 and 0. Second, ILD for RB, reaction at B. For that, write summation of moments about A is equal to 0. So RB into 12 is equal to 100 into x. About B I am taking RB into 12 is equal to 100 into x. So RB is equal to 100x by 12. At x is equal to 0, substitute x is equal to 0 here. RB is equal to 0. At x is equal to 12, RB is equal to 100. So this is the ILD for RA. Next, I need to calculate shear force at section x is equal to 4. So mark that point, x is equal to 4 here, A, B, x is equal to 4. Now, as you know, standard diagram for shear force diagram is like this. Here this is x is equal to 4, L minus x is equal to 8. This value is x by L. So x is 4, 4 divided by 12. L is 12. 4 by 12, 0.33. And this point is L minus x by L. So L minus x is 8, 8 by 12, 0.67. This is positive shear force, this is negative. Hence, I am going to put the load here. This load of 100 kilonewtons is acting at this section. Section X is equal to 4. Therefore, maximum negative shear force. Negative shear force is this, is equal to 100 load into this ordinate 0.33. So you have the answer minus 33.33 kilonewtons. Similarly, maximum positive shear force. Positive shear force is this, load into this ordinate is equal to 100 into 0.67, that is 67 kilonewtons. 67.67 kilonewtons. Step 3, bending moment at section X is equal to 4. Now let me draw a standard bending moment diagram. Say this is X is equal to 4 in this distance. L minus X is equal to 8. Now standard bending moment diagram for influence line diagram is like this. This ordinate is given by X, L minus X by L. So X is 4, L minus X is 8, 4 into 8 divided by 12. You have the answer 2.67, this ordinate. Now this 100 kilonewtons is acting here. Now let us find out maximum bending moment. This is X is equal to 4, L minus X is equal to 8. Maximum bending moment is equal to load into this ordinate. So influence line diagrams are nothing but load into ordinates. You have to calculate these ordinates, multiply by load. So load is 100, ordinate is 2.67. So 267 kilonewton meters. This is the maximum bending moment at section X is equal to 4. Next step, absolute maximum bending moment. So absolute maximum bending moment means what? Any location where we get maximum bending moment. So this bending moment I have calculated at X is equal to 4. Now for a single point load and simply supported beam, absolute maximum occurs when load is at center. When load is at center, bending moment is maximum. So when load is at the center, say this is the load at center, 12 meters is total distance, so 6 and 6. When load is like this, bending moment is maximum. Let this be RA, RB. Summation of moments about B is equal to 0. You get RA is equal to 50. So similarly, RB is equal to 50. Now, absolute maximum bending moment is bending moment at this section, RA into 6. So RA is 50 is equal to RA into 6. You have the answer 50 into 6, that is 300 kilonewton meters. This is absolute maximum bending moment. This completes the single point problem. Thank you.